friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Friends, today I am going to make egg curry again. Over here I am frying the potatoes, you can see. Over here I have boiled the potatoes and fried it up and kept it aside. And the masalas which I am going to use, this has got jeera, onions cut up, green chili, red dry chili and garlic and some black pepper. The black pepper is down here so you cannot see. So I am going to make this into a paste. The potatoes are fried up. Now I will take them out. I hope you all will like my recipe. If you are new to my channel, please comment, share, like, subscribe. Friends, in the same oil I am going to make the egg curry. I have taken bay leaves, this I am putting. I have chopped up onions here, this also I will put. Friends, I will let the onion turn golden brown. Friends, the onion is turning golden brown, you can see. It's almost turned golden brown. Now I will put in the masala which I have shown you all. I have put green chili and red dry chili, so I am not going to put chili powder. I will use Kashmiri mirch powder. This is the turmeric powder. Friends, now I will put some Kashmiri mirch powder. I will let the masala brown. This is the masala water. Friends, the masala is turned brown. Now I will put in the tomato puree. I have made this into a puree. This I am going to put in. Put the salt. I will let this fry a bit. Friends, now I will put in the egg and the potatoes. I will put some garam masala also. Friends, I will add some water now. Cover it up and let the potatoes cook. egg curry is ready. Thanks for watching my video.